Many customers are curious. In such a dense warehouse with goods stacked to brim, how can we still locate items and ship them quickly?
That's an excellent question, touching directly on a key challenge in this industry. On the client's second floor, everything is densely stacked. Here's the dilemma. Store different items separately and you waste tons of space, leaving big empty gaps. Mix everything together and finding the right items is like looking for a needle in the haversack.
So how does our system solve this dilemma?
It's all thanks to an intelligent algorithm. The system allows different goods to be stored together, but we use smart transfer strategies to keep things organized. For example, these goods are from the same batch. Our system will prioritize storing them on the same column, making later picking and shipping much easier. In our warehouse, all 1,250 plus storage locations are managed this way, mixing items without creating chaos.
I have noticed upon arrival, goods are sometimes temporarily stored in a designated area. Why is this?
This buffer zone is carefully designed. The lift is a major artery for goods storage from the first floor to the second floor. Through this buffer zone, we ensure that the lift never gets confiscated. Even though a lot of items are coming in now, the lift runs smoothly. Moreover, as a temporary consolidation area, the goods in the buffer zone will later be placed near items of the same specifications.
Sounds clever, but what if the target goods are blocked doing picking?
That's where our system really shines. For instance, if a customer needs to retrieve this load of goods, but there are 4 different sized goods blocking the way, then at this point, our system will first direct the AGVs to move the 4 blocking goods to the buffer zone. Once the path is clear, the target goods will be transported directly to the lift for dispatch. After the blocking items are in the buffer zone, the system runs the storage strategy again to find the same size storage location for it and place it nearby. After this process, the warehouse becomes more organized.
I noticed that all the goods are being dispatched as full loads, but what happens if the customer only needs part of it?
This happens sometimes. For example, this batch of goods contains 1,400 pieces, but the customer might only need 800. Our system will still pick and move the full load to the dock. The remaining 600 pieces will be manually sorted there. After sorting, with a quick scan using our PDA, the system automatically returns the leftover goods to storage. This small pile of goods is the remaining goods that returned to the warehouse.
What if a customer has special requests, say a last-minute change to where their goods are stored?
When a manual intervention check is needed, our AGVs are available on demand. On the PDA, use the material handling function, simply scan the QR code of the starting location and then the destination location. An AGV will be dispatched to transport the materials.
Having seen the live inbound and outbound operations, I'm truly impressed and curious to know how this is achieved.
This is the control center of our WMS warehouse management system. From this screen, we can monitor the usage of the entire warehouse. There's also task management and tools for checking material status, which allow us to monitor and handle all operations in real time. This is the AMR dispatch management system, which is the command center for all our AGVs. All commands and task routes for the AGVs can be monitored and modified in real time within this system.
This upgrade clearly addresses our pain points. For instance, manual inventory checking staff used to constantly move between locations. Now, the system retrieves all information seamlessly. A year ago, our storage utilization was around 40%. Look at this year. With 2 channels upgraded, utilization had already exceeded 95%. In the past, human errors, like picking wrong goods, were frequent, but this task phase has basically resolved them. Achieving this is exactly what we needed in our management.